Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable video autoplay on Facebook. If you like watching videos without having to click the play button each time, then this tutorial is a perfect fit for you. To enable video autoplay on Facebook, ensure that you have the Facebook app already installed on your device. If not, kindly visit the Play Store for Android user or the App Store for iPhone users to download the Facebook application. Open the Facebook application. As you can see, I have some videos on my live feed, but they are not playing automatically. I have to click them to play it. So click on the three-line icon on the top right for Android user. Expand the privacy and setting option. Then you will have your setting tab. Click on the settings button. Scroll down. Under preferences, you will see media. Click on media. Then under autoplay, you will see on mobile data or Wi-Fi. On Wi-Fi only, never auto update video. But for me, I'm going to choose on mobile data and Wi-Fi. You can choose any of your preferences. I'm choosing on mobile data and Wi-Fi so that I can have my video autoplay while on Wi-Fi network and also on my mobile data. Click on it and your settings will be saved. Then that is all. It has been saved successfully. You can go back to view your video playing automatically. As you can see, my video is autoplaying. As I scroll down, my videos continue to play automatically. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel for other educative and interesting videos like this.